My millionaire brothers, so today video is going very special for Tron holder and also for every crypto holder, because in this video I have one good news, especially one good news for all holder, and one as this is the price prediction of Tron. So two main things and this video, this is very important video gone now, so keep watch this video without any second skip. Okay, so let's start the price prediction first of all of Tron X. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, to please, if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Don't forget to like this video, guys. If you can see here the Tron price prediction, this time the latest price as 0.132850 as the latest price of Tron. You can see here note the change occur and last 24 hour. You can see here the last 24 hour change occur as 0.19% gone up. So this is brilliant chant for our Tron holder. Tron holder, I tell you, in the last previous years, crypto market totally gone down, totally lost. Yes, especially Bitcoin and StormX. These two cryptocurrencies are totally and the lost. So guys, what we do in this situation, if the cryptocurrencies all goes down, Tron is one of the unique cryptocurrency. They absolutely sometime gone down, but also very highly they gone up. When they gone up like a rocket, this is absolutely highest price of cryptocurrency. You know, this is, they give you a very good profit, they make you millionaire absolutely. So if you can see here the last 24-hour chart result, the last 24-hour chart has absolutely gone very bad, but sometime you can see here they take a very bad dump. This time all holders tell me on Instagram, starting messaging me to what we do, Tron is totally completely gone down, what we do, tell me. Then I know this too, if the Tron gone down, then people decide to, this is selling time, I think. But this is definitely, this is most highest and very big mistake if you sell it in this time, guys. If you can see here, after just a few hours they take a very high jump again. Then people stop telling me to sell it or buy it because they're gone starting again up. So therefore people stop messages. So you can see here this time they totally gone up sometime and sometime, but the total average is 0.15%. So guys, I think Tron is going very fastly. You just wait for a month. I hope they give you a very good profit and they make you millionaire absolutely. If you can see here the last 1 year chart occurs 3,393.98%. They've gone up, and the last 24 hours they just gone 0.15% gone up. So my friends, I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. You can see here the net chant as very good, and you can see here the last 24 as a 0.000204 US dollar, and they gone up, they increasing hour by hour, minute by hour, minute by minute. So wait for a good time. I hope they make you a millionaire. So the good news is that, my friends, too, I do a giveaway of Tron X, and the giveaway is coming soon. But first of all, you complete my 10,000 subscribe, and then we decide to then we do a giveaway. I make a special video for this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.